Hey guys, it's Samantha with ActiviTeach. Today I am here to show you the HKMLC 55-inch smartboard. This thing is magic, let me tell you. I'm just going to show you a few different apps that you can use on this smartboard in your classroom or as a homeschool mom. One of my favorite apps to use is Reading Eggs. If you haven't tried out Reading Eggs before, if you're a homeschool mom, you should definitely check that app out. This video isn't sponsored or anything. I just love Reading Eggs and it is a great smartboard activity to do with your kiddos. I'll insert a little video here of my morning routine with my own kids because we do Reading Eggs every single morning. So this right here is called Reading Eggs, and a lot of homeschool moms have this app. It is something that we pay for, but we do this every single morning. I do it with my 4-year-old, and my 6-year-old used to do it also. There's also something called Math Seeds that is really awesome to do on the smartboard also. So they used to do this on the iPad before we had a smartboard, but this is way more engaging. And my little baby here, he also likes to follow along too. So we'll show you a little preview of our morning routine of Reading Eggs.
I am Sam. I am an ant.
Okay, look here.
I can say the word I.
Click on the word I. Click on the word I.
Keep going. Doing great. Click on I. He's watching himself on the camera. Good job. So this is called Reading Eggs. It's just one of my favorite homeschool programs. Again, it's super interactive on the smartboard. Then we have PBS Kids. If you teach younger students, or if you're a preschool teacher, or again, a homeschool mom, that's an awesome learning app to do with your kids. We have this super fun word search app. We have Sudoku. Also for personal use, of course, we got to include Netflix. We have Netflix, Paramount Plus. We also have YouTube TV, so you could even use the smartboard as a TV. There's so much included. Actually, one of my favorite things is this timer app. Let me move you in here. This timer app is honestly wonderful for a special education classroom or for any classroom in general, or even at home with your own kids. So I love to tell my students, hey guys, you have 5 minutes left until PE, and then we turn on the timer here and they can visually see how much time they have left, and then the timer will make a noise when it goes off. Make sure to go check out my other YouTube videos all about this smartboard. There are 3 parts to it where I explain everything you can do as a teacher or homeschool mom within this smartboard. Happy teaching, guys!